Nobody likes walking on cold floors, especially in the winter. For over 30 years, SunTouch has helped millions of homeowners feel comfortable in their homes with affordable floor warming solutions. After your first step onto your heated floor, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Whether you're building your forever home or remodeling your current one, don't miss the chance to add an extra touch of comfort. SunTouch indoor solutions can be installed under a variety of flooring types, with solutions for any project and budget. Tape mat electric floor heating mat make installation fast with an open weave design and is perfect for smaller spaces. Warm wire electric radiant heating system is typically installed under tile and stone surfaces, making it ideal for larger jobs. Underfloor mat provides the warmth and comfort of our other floor heating products without having to replace existing flooring, making it a great option for retrofit jobs. All of our floor heating systems need to be controlled by a SunStat thermostat, which easily connects to your Wi-Fi. With your Connect thermostat, wirelessly connect to the R4 relay for larger applications and enjoy features such as current outdoor temperature reading, weather compensation, and warm weather shutdown. With SunTouch, you can bring the luxury of electric floor heating home without the price tag. Learn more about the SunTouch difference and why SunTouch electric floor heating is a can't-miss addition to your next project.